Each presentation is made up of a number of different types of slides. Mostly, a presentation starts with a title slide followed by a combination of subtitle and content slides having different layouts. Sometimes, you also see sections added to a long presentation. So let us learn more about the slides and its layout. When creating a presentation, you typically add a new slide after the title slide. To add a new slide, on the Home tab, in the Slides group, click New Slide. You can see that a new slide has been added. Click the New Slide drop-down arrow to choose a slide layout. You can see the text, section, and image arrangement by viewing a layout thumbnail before selecting the layout option. The layout shows one or more placeholders in a slide. Placeholders are boxes with dotted borders indicating the placement for text, images, pictures, charts, or any other item. The Duplicate Selected Slides option helps you create a duplicate of the selected slide. You can use a document outline created in a Word document to create a presentation. You can quickly do this by importing the document into PowerPoint using the Slides from Outline option. PowerPoint quickly inserts the headings and content from the Word document in multiple slides of a presentation. Remember, the Word document should have the heading style defined for each title before you import it into PowerPoint. In the case of missing heading styles, PowerPoint will create a slide for each paragraph. Next, you can add one or more slides to your presentation from another presentation without having to open it. Click the Reuse Slides option. It allows you to reuse slides from the slide libraries or PowerPoint files saved in your computer. The Layout command displays a menu of predefined slide layouts available in PowerPoint. Changing the layout of a slide is very easy. Select the slide and then click the Layout down arrow. Now, select a layout that matches the arrangement of the text and objects already placed on your slide. You can see the layout changes. The new layout has one placeholder for the title and another one for the text. The placeholders can be easily resized, moved, or deleted. If you want to insert a slide without any placeholders, use the blank layout. You can later change the layout based on the desired arrangement of the text and objects. To delete a slide, select the slide from the pane and right-click. Now, select the Delete Slide option. Sometimes, you format the text and change the slide layout, but later you might want to revert to the original format and layout. In this case, you can use the Reset command. The Section command lets you divide a presentation into two or more groups. Sections are mostly added in long presentations as it helps you to easily manage the presentation. To add a section, select the desired slide and click the section down arrow. Now, select Add Section. Type the section name and click Rename. Click the triangle on the left pane to collapse the section. The number inside the bracket shows the number of slides in this section. Click the triangle again to expand the section and view the slides. The Remove Section option deletes only one section, while Remove All Sections option deletes all the sections. The Collapse All option shrinks all sections, and Expand All option expands all sections. To move a section up or down, place the cursor on the section name and right-click. Next, select Move Section Up or Move Section Down.